In this video, I will show you how to download commentary in eFootball. If your game doesn't have commentary yet or you want to switch to a different commentary language, this video will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open eFootball on your phone and wait for the game to load completely. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the Extras option. Next, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Download Data. Now tap on Commentary Language. Here you will see the commentary language that's currently installed on your game. If you want to use a different one, simply find the preferred language from the list and tap on it. After that, tap on Download to begin downloading. Now just wait for the download to finish. The download time will depend on your internet speed. Also, don't close the game or disconnect from the internet while the download is in progress. Otherwise, it may stop and you will have to start again. Once the download is complete, make sure the new commentary language is selected. Then go back, start any match and you will hear the new commentary during gameplay. That's how you can download commentary in eFootball. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.